Welcome everyone to the 3D Printing Everything You Need to Know course. In this course, we are going to learn the art of 3D printing and the art of 3D modeling, which is the most important thing you need to know to print any 3D models. In this course, we are going to start by learning how to create 3D models, and then we are going to go on and learn to print those 3D models. This course is completely beginners friendly, where you will be going through all the steps, so you don't need to know anything. We'll take you throughout the journey, and if you are someone who is really hobbyist about 3D printing, who want to learn and innovate, showcase the world what products you want to generate, then this is for you, because you don't need anybody to create it from you. You just can learn 3D printing and you can print those 3D models through your 3D printer. In this course, we are going to get through all of that. So I'll tell you the course structure. What we are going to do, we are going to start by learning the basic of SolidWorks interface. Then we'll go on to sketching, which is one of the most important part, because you can only make your sketches a 3D model. And we are going to learn various advanced and basic sketches functions. We'll take on our sketches to the next level by making 3D models from them. Then we are going to learn how to make more realistic 3D models, and we are going to learn various features of 3D model, advanced features. And next on, we are going to learn how can you print your 3D models which we have made earlier. So what are you waiting for? I'll see you in the next one, where we will be discussing about the basics of SolidWorks interface, and we'll meet there. See ya.